Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis because few important astro dates are coming near, and more importantly we have US elections result which will be coming soon. So the market is ready for an explosive move, and if you are right, good money can be made in a short period of time provided you are disciplined and you stick to your right position size. So in front of you is the chart of Nifty, in which we have drawn a Gann angles. So first thing is Nifty is at a crucial juncture. If you can see here, this resistance is around 11,960. Today high was also 11,950. Last time it corrected, the resistance line keeps coming down. Last time it corrected from 12,025, took support here and bounced back. So first thing is we are at a very crucial price juncture. Now I'll talk about time. So, like in my previous videos, we have discussed about 144 being a very important number, and I've shown you also like how beautifully this was the bottom which we made on 23rd August 2019 at 10648. It was also again price and time squaring. If you calculate just 144 bars, it become to exactly 25th March. 24th March we made a bottom, and if I calculate 144 days from this top, which we made on 20th January. And from there, if you see, market had a beautiful run on upside at this point of time. From there, we had a good trending move. Similarly, if I'm calculating 144 days from here, you know, so 144 bars, not days, which will come tomorrow. So tomorrow will be a very crucial day. We are near an important price zone, and similarly, we are near an important time zone also. So a potential price and time squaring, both price and time are meeting, and we can see an explosive move around the corner. And third thing is I wanted to tell you from the astro perspective. So I'm using a software called SolarFire, and what happens is Mercury in geocentric, whenever it is near 0.59 degrees and 1.58 degrees on a geocentric latitude, you tend to see a good move in the market. This has been back tested, and it is one of the rules of Bayes, George Bayes. There is a book called George Bayes' Trend Determination. You can get that book, it is available on internet. So there are a lot of astro rules there, but this is a very important astro rule there. And there are, I think, 100 plus astro rules there, and every rule has its own significance, but there are few important rules, so this is one of that. So whenever Mercury is at 59 degrees in geocentric latitude and 1.59 degrees, you tend to see a good move in the market. So I'm using a software called SolarFire, which helps me in generating this FMS. So I'm selecting geocentric time zone. I've selected India. 5.5 I cannot select, so I've selected 5. Daily motion I'm looking at, I want in minutes, and in zodiacal sign. If I click on start, it will generate this data, and I will export this data. Actually, I've already exported uh, in the interest of time. So the exported data will come something like this. So this is the data where I have zeroed down on all the 0.59 degree dates of 0.59 and 1.59. I generally use 0.5859. So a degree difference I generally use. So if you can see here, when it crossed 24th March 2020, that was our bottom. See here, this was the exact bottom of the market. After that, we have 26th April, another date. 26 and 27 both are nearby, so we generally take the nearest date of 1.59, which is 26th April. So let's see what happened on 26th April. This is 30th, 27, 26. See here, a major bottom, and from there, from this high of 9296, we rallied almost 600 points in matter of 3 trading sessions. Then we have another date as 16th May. So you can again backtest these dates. You can take it. I'll just look at 1st October and 19th August. These two dates I'll just backtest. 1st October was a holiday. So first let's look at 19th August. This is 18th, 19th. So it would open gap down there, and from the next day we made a bottom and a one-sided rally. And let's see 1st October. So 1st October was a holiday. So next trading day, if we say, which is first October was there, and after that again a good trending move was seen. So whenever these dates happen, you tend to see a good trending moves in the market. Now when is the next date? The next date is again tomorrow, which is 21st. So tomorrow's high and low is very crucial. We are near an important Gann angle resistance of 11,959, and we have important price date both on 144 and based on Astro also. So exciting trading week coming ahead. So if I technically if we break the resistance, what will happen? So if we start going above 11,959, um, I'll just expand this chart. So if we start going above 11,959, the levels which I'm looking at is, I can just go here, square 9G, apply it at this bottom. So it will give me good support and resistance level. Put it here. So 12,043, 113, 153 on upside, and on downside if today's low is getting broken, you know, which is 830, 721, 667, 613 and 544, these will be applicable on downside. So you can just note down these levels. This is what I'll be looking at. And if you don't want to go by any levels, the range, like we generally expect minimum 150 to 200 points move whenever these highs and lows are getting broken. So exciting days coming ahead, and with this US elections, VIX is also going to increase. So if you are an option writer, just make sure that at least till 3rd November now VIX has already crossed 22. Once it starts trading about 23.5, I think VIX can easily reach 30 odd levels, 30 to 35 odd levels. So that is what I'm seeing, both in terms of price and time. On for Bank Nifty also the same analysis will hold true. And on Bank Nifty, I'll just give you the levels. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty, and again you can see we are the trend line resistance, Gann angle resistance is around 24,564. So trader who wants to go long, best is to go long about 24,600 for a target of 24,885, 25,100, 25,300 and 25,500 on upside. On downside, once it breaks 24 to 200, you can see a fall till 24,040, 23,800, 23,666 and 23,500. These are the 1,000 points up and 1,000 point down levels which I'm watching out for. So again, exciting week coming ahead. Trade with discipline. Focus on your risk management, money management. Stay disciplined. Stay safe from corona. And I wish you guys all the best. Thank you very much.